APLD.com. It's Tuesday, the 18th of February. These are the charts of the day. Well, a good start to the week for sure. The markets meandered most of the day and then exploded the last few minutes and closed at the highs for the day with a lot of stocks running. Here's a couple of dozen of them that look really intriguing to me. ALTS, which is it's been surging for over a year now, has gone literally from a quarter to 7 and change. Recently, in the last few days, it's popped out of a lateral wedge. Now looks like the target at 8 1/4 maybe reaches as early as tomorrow. Secondary target 10 and then 12. APLD also popped out through a declining top sign today. 32 million share traded, up about 6.5%. But you can see the stock making a move towards the 11.5 and 13 range. Black Sky Tech Trader swing breaking out of a flag today, exploded from 1680 to 2050, finished 1963 up 280 at 16.6% gain on 4.3 million. It looks to me like we have room to go to mid-20s. Oil certainly breaking out as nat gas is starting to really rally. The price of the commodity itself today has the highest close since the end of June. Looks like we may see 93, maybe even 105. CMRX or Chimerix with a big pop and wedge. We put a swing on it. Since then, it's gone really nicely higher, and today spiked for 433 to 518. Finished at 490, up 52 cents, a 12% gain. Mine was a solid 5 million shares, or nearly 5 million. You can see the way this is looking now. Follow through target is 6. CRSP broke out yesterday, followed through today. Or should I say broke out Friday, followed through today, got right to resistance and backed off. Your next target, however, is 59.5. EFOI with a monster day today, trading 98 million shares, jumping $1.56 or 121%. Huge volume, big move. Highest level we've seen in this stock since June of 23. Extension target on this one is 4. GRAB broke out of a falling wedge a week ago and pulled back. Then it resumed the advance. Today it spiked for the breakaway, 510 to 570, finishing 548 up 58 cents, about 12%. Mine was a solid 121 million shares. And that took it right back up near the old high. A breakthrough here, we're going to look at 6.5. GRRR, one of our swings from back in December, which did great, and then went into a coil and broke out again a week and a half ago and has just kept running. Taking out the highs here and reaching a level at which I thought it might get to at 27.5, 28. However, it looks to me like there's a possibility this stock could go substantially higher. Low to mid 40s, maybe high 40s to low 50s. INOD broke out a couple of days ago. We put a swing back on. It's been running beautifully. I think the stock goes to 70. It may go to 80. Intel, where rumors of the company being either acquired or split into pieces and sold, has jump-started this company from 19.25 to today's high, near 28. It's in a 6-day period. I haven't seen Intel do this in a long time. Mine was 300 million shares today. And that is huge, even for Intel. Now I'm looking for extension to get this one probably up near 32. Lunar advanced out of a falling wedge a couple of days ago, and today it started to move. It did back off, closed up 83 cents, about 4%. Volume picked up to 19 million. I think now we're going to try to retest 25 and then make it into the high 20s, low 30s. NBIS, one of our favorites. What a move in the last 3 weeks, from 24 to 40 to 50 and change at the top of the channel. A little extended here, but who knows with momentum where they can take this one. PCT broke out with a breakaway gap today and closed at resistance. We get through here. We're looking at 13 and 15. Pull Matrix, after watching this stock coil or flag for 3 months, it exploded today. Not a lot of volume. It's thin, very thinly traded. 250,000 traded, up 23%. Target 12.5. SE, the Chinese game developer, has just been on a tear since January of last year. We were trading at mid-30s. Today, 139, and it closed right there within pennies of the high, up 405. My target is 160. SMCI B-bottom right-hand extension and a breakout today. Resistance lies just ahead at 66, my next target. SPCB, we made a beautiful swing after it broke out of this wedge here, and it went nonstop for a week from about 8 to 18. Pull back and now snap back. Now looking for a retest. First 14.75 and back to 18. STAI exploded for 3 days in a row now. 4 actually. From 123, today's high, 441. 300% gain in a week. Be careful with this one. It did back off substantially, maybe extended. WBA, which we put a swing on here and it did well for a few days, reversed, got clobbered, right back up today. This is what I consider a falling wedge. They broke it right back out today with huge volume. Let's see, that's the angle right there. The volume today, 46 million shares. If I can get it up right above today's high, you might see 12.5 and 14. RAP exploded out of a wedge a couple of days ago today, and they got installed on Friday, but today spiked from 209 to 245, closing above the prior high. Now looking for 285 and 4. Full disclosure, this is a personal position of mine. And ZETA spiked up again today, got up to resistance near 26.7. If it does get up in that through that zone, I'd look for 30 and 32 again. And that's a look at some of the real hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. Good night, everybody.